Welcome back to another video. Are you done with Mobile Legend game and you wanna get rid of it? Let's see how to delete Mobile Legend game on iPhone, and the same step for Android as well. Open the Mobile Legend game and you can see a profile icon left side top corner. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you can see few options and tap on the account option. On your right side you can see an option called account center. Tap on that. You have to tap on the cancel account. Once you cancel account, it will open a browser now, and you have to accept the term and condition for cancellation and tap next, and once again accepting the term and condition and tap next, and pick the account you created your Mobile Legend game. So my one is this one, and provide all the username and password and verification code here. Once you provide it, tap on login, and there's one more confirmation and you are good to delete the account. Please note, it will take minimum 30 days to delete your account permanently, so wait till until then. And we are ending our video from here. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like button.